Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. We are on our way to the shop. We are going to put in some awesome mods to the STi today. This will be the first step to those big horsepower numbers we're looking for. Everybody wants to see, all of us want to drive, everyone wants to be around, so here we go, right? That's what we're going to do. We're going to be putting in our first mods, which are the COBB intake, the COBB access port, and a 3-inch catback. This should be a lot of fun today. We're going to bring you all the time-lapse videos, a little bit of talking about them. I'll show you guys them laid out on the table, do some quick stuff with them, and we'll get them put in. So let's have fun today, guys, and let's go see what this thing can do with a little bit of modification. Alright guys, here we are. I was excited. I told you on the way down here that I'm so pumped here. We're here, we made it to the shop, we got the car in, you saw her roll in, and here we are. So, there she is guys. Just a nice stock STi. Yeah, there she is. I got the ice white. Got that nice pearl finish to it. It's really hard on the camera. Out in the sunshine, maybe it'll look way, way better. But man, when this thing's clean. She was sprinkled on me a little bit on the way in, so she's not as clean as I want her to be, but she is still really, really beautiful. We'll go clean her up hopefully this afternoon, depending on the weather. It might be rainy, rainy, rainy. But man, here she is, nice and stock. A few little add-ons, a little carbon, little trim there here. Like I said, I did do the muffler delete the first week. I couldn't help it. This is a factory lower spoiler to the STi. It's pretty sweet. That's pretty neat. That was an add-on extra that I got. Other than that, she's all stock. Nice stock 19-inch rims, the classic yellow calipers, all the way down. Inside we got the Recaro seats, and I did get the Alcantara steering wheel. Oh, she's pretty sweet and fun. I like that. But other than that, she's 100% stock, guys. She's ready to go. No mods yet at all, as you can see. 100%. This is going to be really nice to work on. No broken bolts, hopefully. Everything's nice and new. Everything's beautiful. Man, this is going to be awesome. All right, guys. So what we're going to be putting on, I'm going to show you guys over here. We got the table laid out with all the new parts from COBB and from REMARK. REMARK is doing the exhaust on the car. I picked that because it's a nice unresonated 3-inch catback with those blue tips that I really liked. That thing is really beautiful. I listened to some sounds on internet. It really sounded good, so I'm gonna give it a try. Let's see what it looks like. All right, guys. So we got all the parts laid out here. It is pretty awesome. We got everything we need here for the stage 1 install here. We got the COBB alternator cover, just a little fancy cover. Then we got the intake system here with the cover and the rubber and the new air filter and the actual boot, air box here, the adapter, all the good stuff that you need. Then we got the nice 3-inch catback system here. Full straight pipe, guys. No resonator, no nothing. We're gonna make some noise. We're gonna eventually wanna make some big horsepower, so we want the big ones. So this is a 3-inch pipe here. It does go into 2.5-inch pipes here that match up to the back of the catback. So it's pretty sweet here. They did a titanium wide pipe. That looks pretty sweet. All the welds look like they're really good. Everything looks pretty quality, guys. I'm really happy with this. You know, this is really nice, you guys. I'm really liking that. Then we got the Grimsby. We had to do the adapter because we still got the stock down pipe. We're not doing the down pipe until we go stage 3. We're gonna skip stage 2. That way we don't want to run into any fueling issues on this thing, you guys. I don't want to push or stress this thing out too bad because we're going to make her hard, we're going to make her fast. So we're going to go straight into 3, which means a down pipe and some fueling upgrades. So we want to really kind of make her happy. So here's all the stuff we're putting in today, guys. I'm really excited here. We're going to run a little time lapse here on the installs of all these parts here so we can go by it really quick and be done with it. All right, guys, we'll see you later. All right, guys, we got the installs all ready to go. I am so excited for these things. I got the tune put in, I got the access port put in, we got the intake installed, we got the 3-inch catback installed. Let's take a look, guys. There she is. That's the COBB intake. She looks real clean and nice. The SF, that's awesome. We got inside here, we got the COBB access port now, so we can get our tunes in there. We just have the Stage 1 Plus tune. And then we've got the exhaust, of course, full 3-inch catback, REMARK, all the way, non-resonated, so she's gonna be loud. So I already had to start her up for a second there, guys. We had to start her up to get the tune in there for quick, so I don't really have a cold start for you, but I am gonna give you a start up here, and let us listen to some noises. All right, guys, there you have it. She sounds so good. Man, she sounds so much better. She is so wide open, and she's gonna sound sweet on the road. So we're gonna go take some pulls on there. We're gonna set up the camera and the GoPro in the dashboard, go do some pulls for you guys, let us listen to it, and then we're gonna go relax, yeah, and have some fun. And then tomorrow, guess what? Tomorrow's our first meet. We're gonna go out and find your builds. You guys, we are out there looking for you guys, man. We need to see what you guys are doing. Yeah, this is fun for me and that's my car, but I am all about your guys' cars. You guys, here we come. We're coming looking for you now. We gotta find you guys and figure out what you guys are building, what you guys like. All right, guys, let's go do some pulls.